Welcome back, guys. So, gonna get a little bit of winter maintenance happening here. So, got the battery charger out here. This thing here, once I pull it outside, we'll really talk about it. But this thing here is about a 63 International TD5. It's the model name. Now this thing has been repaired, as you can see, new hydraulics, all that stuff. So I pulled a couple bolts off the top. That takes the hood off. Really want to just check the water levels up on it. These are just friction fit. They're air cleaner and hydraulic fluid breather. Obviously we don't want to get nothing in this. And the muffler as well is just loose. I just wiggled them and they got loose, so I already had them pretty loose there. Now, get the hood off of this thing. Yeah. Perfect. Yeah. So this one here sat for what I was told about 2 years. So hasn't been fired up in about 2 years. And I really wanted to get in here to check out my coolant, of course. I'm just going to be winterizing this old gal as well as this one here. Just getting some fresh coolant in there. Be sure everything's going to be safe for the winter here because it's freezing cold out here, I'll tell you. Anyway, should be good here. We're going to just check the oil and top up the fluids. This is a whopping 38 horsepower that the motor makes. But I'll get rid of this microphone for now and top up the water, and then we're going to fire her up. So here we go. Right on. So got some water in the rad there and just slapped the muffler back on it and breather here. So now this here is the glow plug, and over here is the starter. Put it on charge. So, let's hope for the best here. Obviously, I ain't started it before, but that's what I was told, so let's give her a shot. Clutch, brake, throttle, all the way up. I think it's recording. Yeah, cool. Okay, so glow plugs. It said 20 seconds here for this, and then there we go. Maybe a little more on the glow plugs. Well, that fired right up. Sweet. Right on. There you go. Good one. Nice. Well, quite the beast here. Of course, low battery on the GoPro. But these were made from 59 to 64. Options on this obviously is the bucket with full attachments. You also got a winch on the deluxe model, which we see. And on the deluxe model, again, you got reverse. Hydraulics have all been replaced on this motor. Or engine setup. Yep. What a sweetie. Love it. So I'm going to play around a bit here. I think move these rocks over to the side and then probably dig that up a bit, move it around, fill in a couple of potholes. Same with that other pile. Right on. I'll get the hood put back on this though, just to give it some justice. Do a real workaround, and cool, right on. Just wanted to share it with you.